Synthesis, characterization and broad-spectrum antibacterial activity of zinc oxide nanoparticles against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Zinc oxide nanoparticles, ZNONPS, have received significant attention in recent years due to their versatile applications in sunscreen products, cosmetics, pigments, industrial coatings, plastic additives, semiconductors, textiles, and effective antibacterial agents. Due to numerous applications of nanoparticles, research related to preparation and the properties of nanoparticles has become more attention in the past several years. This study deals with the synthesis of zinc oxide nanoparticles and evaluating their antibacterial activity. Zinc oxide nanoparticles were synthesized by a chemical method and characterized by various analytical techniques such as UV visible spectroscopy, SEMI-DX, XRD, and FTIR. X-ray diffraction and SEM analysis confirmed the formation of well-dispersed zinc oxide nanoparticles with average particle size 22 nanometers as well as revealed their spherical structure. Using the Agar-Well diffusion technique of the study, chemically synthesized nanoparticles were revealed to have antibacterial activity against the bacterial strains Escherichia coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and Staphylococcus aureus. There is a noticeable rise in ZNO nanoparticles bioactivity because of their tiny size and greater surface area to volume ratio. This study demonstrates that ZNO-NPs are a potential antibacterial agent that can combat both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. The antibacterial properties of ZNO nanoparticles make it feasible to be utilized as an antibacterial agent in products like mouthwashes, lotions, and ointments. Nanoparticles can also serve as substrates in medical devices to stop germs from sticking, spreading, and reproducing. Therefore, this work has significant theoretical and practical implications for further in-depth research. Nanoparticles are extremely tiny particles, thousands of times smaller than the width of a human hair. Because of their small size, they behave very differently from larger materials, showing special properties in color, strength, and how they interact with other substances. This makes them useful in many areas such as electronics, medicine, cosmetics, and environmental protection. Among various nanoparticles, zinc oxide, ZNO, nanoparticles have gained particular attention due to their low cost, safety, and strong chemical properties. They are commonly found in everyday products like sunscreens, paints, plastics, and textiles. One especially important feature of ZNO nanoparticles is their ability to kill bacteria. This is crucial today, as many bacteria are becoming resistant to traditional antibiotics. ZNO nanoparticles can attach to bacterial surfaces and even penetrate them, leading to the death of harmful microbes. As a result, scientists are exploring ZNO nanoparticles as a new way to fight infections and improve public health. This study focuses on creating ZNO nanoparticles and testing how well they can fight three harmful bacteria, Escherichia coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and Staphylococcus aureus. These bacteria are known to cause serious illnesses in humans. By evaluating the antibacterial activity of the ZNO nanoparticles, this research aims to provide an alternative solution to conventional antibiotics. The findings from this study could support the use of ZNO nanoparticles in healthcare and hygiene products, offering a new, effective tool in the battle against bacterial infections, especially those that no longer respond to common treatments. ZNO nanoparticles have been prepared using a wet chemical method. The structural characterization of synthesized nanoparticles is crystalline in structure, and their diameter was around 22 nanometers confirmed by XRD. The synthesized ZNO nanoparticles exhibit the UV absorption peak at 335 nanometers. In FTIR spectroscopy, pure ZNO nanoparticles show stretching vibrations at 402 cm1. The chemically synthesized ZNO NPS exhibits significant antibacterial activity against all three bacterial strains, i.e., Gram-V E. coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Gram-plus-V bacteria Staphylococcus aureus, and show a significant zone of inhibition to ZNO NPS compared to the positive control penicillin. This study proves that ZNO nanoparticles possess good antibacterial activity. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.